Hi, everybody. How are you? I hope you're doing well today. I'm happy to see you. We had so much fun during our online music class. I hope you get to join us next week. All right, let's start off with our hello song. Are you ready? Welcome, boys and girls. Welcome, boys and girls. It's so nice to have you here. Welcome, boys and girls. Now, you might remember this song from last week. My poor hand is shaking, I can't make it stop. My poor hand is shaking, I can't make it stop. Oh, Mama, help me, I can't make it stop. My poor hand is shaking, I can't make it stop. Stop! And then freeze. My poor elbow shaking, I can't make it stop. My poor elbow shaking, I can't make it stop. Oh, Mama, help me, I can't make it stop. My poor elbow shaking, I can't make it stop. Stop! My poor knee is shaking, I can't make it stop. My poor knee is shaking, I can't make it stop. Oh, Mama, help me, I can't make it stop. My poor knee is shaking, I can't make it stop. Stop! My poor head is shaking, I can't make it stop. My poor head is shaking, I can't make it stop. Oh, Mama, help me, I can't make it stop. My poor head is shaking, I can't make it stop. Stop! My whole body shaking, I can't make it stop. My whole body shaking, I can't make it stop. Oh, Mama, help me, I can't make it stop. My whole body shaking, I can't make it stop. Stop! Okay. Now, let's get into some rhythm reading. This is new. We haven't done this yet in kindergarten. Let's take a look here. Now, if you were in class with me this morning, you already know this. This is a review for you. But take a look here. Do you see squares? There are 4 squares. For each square that I'm going to point to, I want you to say the word long. So it will sound like this. Long, 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 long. I'm going to see if I can do it with a drum beat here. 1, 2, ready, go. Long, 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 long. Yeah, nice. Now, oh, we have some different shapes here. What are these shapes? Right, they are rectangles. Now, we're still going to say the word long for the squares. We'll still say long, long. But for the rectangles, we're going to say the word short. And there are 2 rectangles, so we will say the word short 2 times, twice. So it will sound like this. Long, long, short, short, long. Can you do that? Ready, go. Long, long, short, short, long. Nice. Let's keep moving here. There we go. What do we say for the squares? That's right, we say the word long. What do we say for the rectangles? That's right, we say the word short. Do we say it 1 time or 2 times? 2 times is right. Ready? Here we go. Long, short, short, long, long. Yeah, let's do it one more time. Ready, go. Long, short, short, long, long. Do you hear how when we say the word short, it's short, and when we say the word long, it's long? Ah, kind of neat, right? All right, let's go to this one. Oh, do we start with long on this one? We start with short, short. So it sounds like this. Short, short, long, long, long. That's right. I think you were doing it. Let's do it again. Ready? Short, short, long, long, long. Yeah. You're getting the hang of this now. Ready? Do we start with long or short? We start with long. 1, 2, ready, go. Long, 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 short, short. Ooh, that's a tricky one, having the shorts on the end. Let's do it again. Ready, go. Long, 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 short, short. Yes. All right, let's go here. Ooh, this is a pattern, isn't it? Oh my gosh. Do we start with the shorts or the longs? Yes, we start with the shorts this time. 1, 2, it sounds like this. Short, short, long, short, short, long. Do it again with me this time. Ready, go. Short, short, long, short, short, long. Yes. Okay, how about this one? That's right, we start with long, and it's a pattern again. Absolutely. I'll do it first. You can try it with me. Here we go. Long, short, short, long, short, short. Do it again. Ready, go. Long, short, short, long, short, short. Yes, very good. All right. Ooh, we have a new pattern. 1, 2, together, go. Short, 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 long, long. Let's do that one again. Ready, go. Short, 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 long, long. Excellent. We have 2 more to go. Ready? Oh, and this one is just opposite of what we just did. Yeah, it's still the same pattern. Here we go. Long, long, short, 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 short. One more time. Here we go. Long, long, short, 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 short. Yes. And the last one. Ready? Long, short, 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 long. One more time. Yep, you got this now. Ready, go. Long, short, 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 long. Yes, that's it. Nice job, kindergarten. That was awesome. All right, now we tried this one in the class as well. Show me your, in the online class, show me your, oh, yep, show me your right hand. That's the same side I'm holding up. This is opposite for me. Yeah, so show me your right hand. Good. And show me your left hand. Yes, very good. This is your right hand. This is your left hand. Good. Now show me both hands. Repeat after me. Up to the ceiling. Now touch the floor. Down to the floor. Right to the window. Left to the door. This, oh, did I goof that up? I think I did. Whoops. Right to the door. This is my right to the door. This is my right hand. You know what? Let's start that again. Ready? Because I got confused because I'm going opposite. Okay, let's try that one more time, and I'm going to move this. There we go. One more time for the teacher. Up to the ceiling. Down to the floor. Left to the window. Right to the door. This is my right hand. Raise it up high. This is my left hand. reach for the sky. Right hand, left hand, twirl them around. Left hand, right hand, pound, pound, pound. Good, let's do the whole thing. Ready? Up to the ceiling, down to the floor. Left to the window, right to the door. This is my right hand, raise it up high. This is my left hand, reach for the sky. Right hand, left hand, twirl them around. Left hand, right hand, pound, pound, pound. Nice job today, kindergarten. Good job. There will be one quick question for you to answer in the assignments section of the general teams. So just look up there. It'll say this week, and I will see you again soon. It was so wonderful to see you. Go make some music. All right. Bye.